because we always take our customers' feeling into consideration. So we also designed this bicycle with front suspension, with air inflated tire and with front suspension. And when you ride the electric bicycle in some steep areas, in some hills, and it can absorb the shock. When you ride it can absorb the shock and give you a better and comfortable ride feeling.
Right.
Yes. And let's go on, and we can see the front light. The front light is very big, very big.
Yes,
big
big
around
front light.
Yes.
And it also can change it to
small one.
the small one.
Yes, but you know our most of our clients like big round one because they think the big round light will be cooler than the smaller one.
Yeah,
but
of course.
Yes, but of course the bigger round light will be a little expensive than the small round light. So if your budget is limited and you want to change the smaller one, yes, of course you can. And we can see in front of the electric bicycle there will be many cables in the front of the electric bicycle, and the cables connect the brake system, connect the display with the electric bicycle.
And the brake.
Yes.
And also the display button.
Yes.
And you know these cables are totally waterproof cables.
Yes.
So you can ride it in a rainy day.
Yes.
And also it is very easy to replace if some parts are broken.
Yes. Yes. Correct. So okay, maybe we can turn off the light. Okay. And about in the middle of the handlebar there will be a display located in the middle of the handlebar, and when we turn on the display, we can see many messages shown in the display, such as the battery status and the instant speed and your range and how many kilometers you have ride.
And assist level.
Yes, assist level.
Yes, there are 5 assist levels.
Yes, 5 assist level, and you can just level depending on what speed that you like.
Yeah.
And we can see in front of the handlebar there will be 2 brakes, and the brakes used in this electric bicycle in our sample run is a mechanical brake. But we have another choice. If your target market and your target customer is high end, and you can replace the mechanic brake into the hydraulic brake. The hydraulic brake will be a little more expensive than the mechanical brake, but the function of the hydraulic brake will be higher than the mechanical brake. And with hydraulic brake, you can brake when your speed is very fast. You can stop the electric bicycle in a very short distance and also in a very short time.
Yeah.
Yes. So whatever which brakes that you want, it depends on your budget and your target market. And let's go on, and we can see in the left side of the handlebar there will be many buttons on the handlebar. And the team, can you introduce what each the handlebar for the clients?
Okay, and the display buttons, and they are on the left side. That is assist levels button, and you can increase the assist levels or decrease it.
Yes.
And you know we have 5 assist levels.
Yes.
For this one, we designed the maximum speed is about 40 kilometers per hour.
Yes.
And that means maybe the level 5 you can average speed. And level 4 and maybe 35,
Yes.
just like this. And the front light buttons is also on the button, so you can turn on or turn off the front light.
Yes.
And the power button, and also this is the check-in errors button. That means if you want to check, sometimes you got some errors on the display, so you can check it by yourself.
Yes.
Okay, and on the other side, this is the Shimano outside speed.
Yes.
It's a very classic model. So now we have many lot of Shimano parts in our stock. So because during this peak season, maybe the Shimano parts lead time is very long.
Yes.
And I think maybe if you place order now, the Shimano parts lead time will reach to end of next year, maybe end of 2022.
Yes.
So it's very lucky we have this in stock.
Yes.
So if you want quick delivery and you want to catch the market during this summer or autumn, so you can place the order to us.
Yes, correct. Yes, also, and we can see there will be a throttle in the right side of the handlebar. The throttle is for acceleration, the electric bicycle. And also, we can see in the middle of the part that its design is very special. Yes, it looks look in good integration. And in the middle part, we can see there will be a big seat. I think it can be seated two persons.
At least.
At least, okay. And we can see under the seat there will be battery under the seat, and the battery now in our showroom is about 17.8 ampere, and it's also 48 voltage, and we can see this battery need to be taken out by the key. So it is also an anti-theft design. When you park your electric bicycle outside, and if the battery without a key that can be taken out, that your battery is easy to be stolen by some theft or by some bad guys. And Tim, can you introduce some other information about the battery to our clients?
Okay, and there is indicators of the battery status here. So there are 4 indicators here. If you want to use it before, better check it before using it. And if only the red light left, so that means you have to charge it. Okay, and if you do not use it very often, so suggest you charge it for 3 months to keep the power inside. Otherwise, the lithium battery is very easy to get broken.
Yes.
And also there is a USB charging port.
Yes.
That means you can charge your phone.
Yes.
And when you're outside, maybe your phone the battery is running out, so you can use this battery as a charging bank, power bank.
Yeah.
And also there is a charging port. Charging port, so you can charge the battery and in your home, and also you can charge it on the tire bike.
Yes.
And okay, I think
this is the introduction of the electric battery.
yes.
Yes, and also our battery has gotten many certificates, such as CE certificate, or such as MSDS certificate. That all the certificate make the battery can be shipped by sea, shipped by train, and we have all the certificates. And Also, our battery is in good quality, and we use Samsung cells in the battery. So the battery is in good quality, and its function is in guaranteed. And if you because in some market some bad supply in order to reduce the cost of the electric bicycle to make more profit, they use the poor battery into the electric bicycle. So when the clients buy the poor battery electric bicycle to their home and charge the battery, and this is very easy to cause the implosion and fire is very dangerous. So our clients, if you want to buy an electric bicycle, you must choose the good quality battery. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put the battery back. And about the battery, we also have many choices, such as the 11.6 ampere, about 14.5 ampere, and about 17.8 ampere. So there will be many choices about the battery capacity, and which battery capacity that you want depends on your demands and depends on your budget. And of course, the larger the battery capacity, the more expensive of the electric bicycle. So it all depends on your budget.
Yes. So, but it's not very expensive. It's
Yes.
Acceptable price.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the back side of the electric bicycle, and we can see this electric bicycle with the real suspension. This is our high edition one, and because just to mention we have air inflated tire and front suspension, and also with the real suspension is also very I think very family people friendly for this with real suspension electric bicycle. So yes, if your weight is much heavier, and your country is in some hills or some steep areas, you can choose the full suspension one because it can absorb more shocks and give you more better and comfortable ride feelings. But if your budget is limited and your country is totally near its plane, you can choose the one just with the front suspension, and it's okay. And it already depends on your demands because we have many configurations, and that you can make a selection.
Yes.
Yes, and in the back side of the electric bicycle, there will be rear wheel and the rear tire, and also the rear tire is also used air inflated tires, and also the rear wheel is integrated wheel, and the motor is on the rear is integrated with the rear wheel, and also the wheel also can be changed into the spoke wheel.
Yes. The real motor is now is 750 watts.
Yeah.
So it can be changed into 50,
Yeah,
500. Yes.
Yes.
Also, what's up with the spoke wheels?
Yes, that's correct. Okay, and
I think the tire also can change to other patterns.
yes, and you also can change some brands that you want.
Yes,
that you want to choose.
Such as Kinda,
Yes.
Nova,
Yes, that's correct.
etc.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, I think this is the introduction of the K7. Very nice design, very good looking, and very wholesale one in our company. And the team, most of the increase about 70 to 80% of the increase is K7. It's real hot product in our company.
Yeah, yes, of course. And I also received a lot of info about this one.
Yes.
And also, we have this in our US warehouse. We have this stock in our US warehouse.
Yes.
So if you are in the US market, you can just order it from us.
Yes.
And so we can send it to you directly from our warehouse.
Yes.
Maybe you will receive it within 1 week.
Yes. And also now we have we also have the front suspension one and the full suspension one in our company. You can, if you are interested in this K7 model, you can send inquiry to us, and we also can provide a fast delivery to you.
Yes, and also the color can be changed.
Yes, color can be changed, and now we have white and black in stock.
Yes. And if you are a wholesaler, you can set up your account number.
Yes.
And card number, so we can follow it to produce the product for you.
Yes.
And for each color, MOQ is about 50 pieces.
Yes.
This is not too much.
Yes.
And maybe if you have five stores or 5 retailers, that means each one will get about 10 pieces.
Yes.
10 pieces is very easy to sort out.
Yes.
And also the seat, we have 2 colors now.
Yes.
One is black and another is brown.
Yeah.
So if you want other colors, it's acceptable.
Yes, correct. And also, let's make a summarize about the K7 model.
Okay.
And about the K7 model, the tire is about 20 inches, and its width is about 4 inches, and its wheel is the integrated wheel, but we also can do the spoke wheels, and the maximum motor that the integrated wheel can be tolerated is 750 watt, but